Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I wore this week in an OOTW. I'm seriously so excited because these outfits are so fun and I had so much fun planning them and styling them this week. I would love to hear in the comments down below when you're done watching this which outfit is your favorite. I do read and respond back to every single comment and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. Personally, my favorite outfit is from Friday, so you might have to watch the whole video to find out what I'm wearing. So I apologize about that, but if you're watching this on the day I upload, happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. But we're just gonna get right into the video. I am seriously so excited. These outfits are so fun and I tried to make them a little bit more fall, I guess, if you will. I don't really know, but here is Monday's outfit. So on Monday, I filmed a haul for United Monograms. I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. But when I was filming that and then the whole day, I just wore this really bright neon pink t-shirt from J. Crew. It is one of their vintage cotton tees. It's seriously so soft and I've had it since I've started this channel. It's just like a classic piece that I love. I paired it with this skirt from J. Crew. I think these are so cute. They're just like the little scrunchy waist skirts. I love it. And then I had a pair of riding boots on, which I'm currently wearing right now, but I think it was such a cute look. It was super comfortable and that video turned out so cute. I just wanted to wear like a really bright color to start off the week on a cheerful note, but also because that video I wanted to have really positive, cheerful vibes, which if you guys haven't seen that, definitely go check it out. I got a huge haul from United Monograms, and if you guys like my outfits and styles, you guys will probably like Monograms. I have one on right now, so you should definitely check it out. I'll have United Monograms linked down below. But I just had so much fun wearing this outfit. I thought it was very girly and cute and kind of like a fun pop of neon for the fall, which I don't really feel like I do that often, so it was really like a fun way to switch up an outfit. And then on Tuesday, this is what I was wearing. I honestly feel like I kind of just like relaxed. I filmed a Shein clothing haul, which I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out, and I just was like really comfortable all day. I had a lot of emails, I had class, so it was just kind of one of those things that I just kind of had a more chill outfit. It's very casual, yet I think it's very cute and preppy and kind of city chic as well. So I had on this oversized polo t-shirt. I got this 2 sizes up, so it's just really big, but it's just like a gray t-shirt. I've had it forever and it's so soft. It's long sleeve. I rolled up the sleeves a lot to kind of make it bulky, and then added a ton of bracelets to accessorize and kind of make it a little bit more feminine. And then I just styled it with my favorite dark wash skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch. These are the high-rise super skinny. They're so comfy. I talk about it in every video how they feel like you're wearing leggings, so it's really nice, especially if you are working at home or have online classes like I do. On Tuesday, this was the perfect outfit for me. And then to pull the look together, I just styled it with my Vija sneakers. I seriously am obsessed with these. I think they're so cute, but they just go with any outfit, so this was the perfect day to wear them. I love how they're so neutral, so they really can go with every outfit. But what's really fun is you can get the V, their logo, and so many different colors if you guys are interested, so I think that is such a fun little detail. And then on Wednesday, this is what I was wearing. So I did wear some skinny jeans again, the same Abercrombie ones. These are the high-rise super skinny, super comfortable. And then I just paired it with this cashmere maroon red sweater. I thought it was really fun. I'm low-key getting into the holiday spirit, and I just really, really love this sweater. It was super chilly outside, so this was like the perfect sweater to stay warm. And then I just paired it with my Eastland mock boots. I think these are so stinking adorable. I love the little logo up here. It's so subtle, but yet it has that that nice fall winter touch to it because of their color for their logo. And then it just had some yellow laces, which I feel like is just a really nice pop of color, especially for the fall. Like I mentioned with the pink, I love to add some bright colors into my wardrobe. Even though this is more of a fall burnt yellow, I still think it's a really nice splash and I love it. I love how these are a little bit shorter than your traditional ankle boots, so they're just really cute. I cuffed up my jeans on the bottom to make my shoes really pop. And then when I wear these, I like to wear no-show socks, just because if you wear regular socks you can see it up at the top, but again, that's just a personal preference. But in case you guys were wondering, I do wear no-shows with these, and I really like this outfit combination because I feel like the brown leather and this maroon color look so stinking good together. And then on Thursday, this is what I was wearing. This is probably my second favorite outfit of the week. I did vlog the whole day, so in case you guys want to see me wearing it throughout the day, definitely check it out. I will insert a card. I did a workout with me in that vlog as well, so I took you guys with me to the gym, and then I like painted my nails and stuff. It was really fun, so you guys should definitely go check it out. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy watching vlogs or if you like more styling videos. I love to hear what you guys like to watch. But on Thursday, I wore a Preppy t-shirt, and this one is just from Lily Grace. So it has their little pocket right here with their logo, and then it has the Lily Grace logo down the sleeve, which I love when long sleeve t-shirts have the sleeve detail because I think they look so cute with vest. And usually when you're wearing a long sleeve t-shirt, it is chillier outside, so it's the perfect time to layer up. And then the back of it has this really fun fall campfire setting, and I love it. It just says cheers Lily Grace with a little s'more and marshmallow on it with a little campfire. And honestly, bonfires are one of my favorite things about fall. Their Preppy t-shirts are seriously so soft, you guys. I can't recommend it enough to go check them out. I will have it linked down below. I get all of their stuff in a size small, and their logo and design is just so stinking cute. I don't know if I have a discount code anymore, but definitely go check them out. They're so cute and I love them. I think they're one of my favorite Preppy t-shirt companies. And like I mentioned earlier, I love wearing a vest with t-shirts that have stuff on the sleeve, so I wore this Southern Shirt Company Shepa vest, and I think this is so cute. I got this in a size small. It has like a nice white collar, but it's like a cream color. It has their little logo right here, and it zips up, and it has these really nice pockets, and I just think this is the perfect layering piece. And I love the Shepa because it adds texture to your outfit, which is one of my favorite things in the fall. I love this piece for the fall. It's super warm and super comfy, and it looked so cute with that green. And then on the bottom, I just wore some Lululemon Align leggings. These are by far one of my favorite pairs of leggings because they're so soft yet also so stretchy. They're not like my favorite leggings for working out just because they're not super tight, which makes them great for like outfits and just kind of day-to-day life. So I love these. I do have these in the 7/8 length just because I'm 5'4", but they go all the way down to my ankles in case you guys want to use me as a size guide. And then I also paired this whole look with my LL Bean 6-inch bean boots. I love these boots so much. They're the navy toe. They're 6 inches. They are a classic in the Preppy Girls wardrobe. I did film a video all about styling bean boots. In case you guys want to check it out, I will insert a card. And then that leads up to today's outfit. This is what I am wearing. So I think this outfit's so fun. It came together very last minute because I was kind of like iffy which bottoms to wear with it, but I love the blue on blue combo, like a monochromatic outfit. I'm a sucker for it. In the summertime I do it a lot more than I do in the fall and winter, but I just have on this long sleeve navy Ralph Lauren polo t-shirt. It's so soft. I threw on a little monogram necklace. I have a red little polo logo which matches my nails, which is just a fun little bonus. And then I have on this stack of pearl bracelets that I've been wearing this week, and they are from Shein. They're really cute. I think they just add that perfect arm candy. I have my little scrunchie on. I do have a watch on as well. And then my skirt is from Shein. I love the blue on blue combo, and then I just threw on some riding boots with it to kind of make it more fitted for fall. But I think it's a really cute outfit. It's by far my favorite from the week. So again, I would love to hear in the comments down below which outfit from from the week is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I love being able to chit chat with you guys, so I do read and respond back to every single comment. And if you guys made it this far, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell so you can get notified the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!